Time to pick some mangoes. I see some delicious ones up there. Almost got it. Here's a perfect one for my basket.
These are perfect. Oh, what was that?
Oh, no!
Oh, no!
Hello. Hurry up and bring your crane. There's an injured cow here.
Okay, I'm coming. Tell me your location.
Near the mango orchard.
Hold tight.
Move, E-I-E-I-O. Engines roaring, E-I-E-I-O. To the mangoes we go, E-I-E-I-O. Monkey, help lift the cow carefully. Okay, Old MacDonald. I'm coming to help. Monkey slowly does it. Copy that, Old MacDonald. Positioning the support belt. Secure the harness, quick. She's in pain. Got it. Okay, lift her gently. We got you, girl.
Careful, careful. Guide him in, MacDonald.
Easy, easy, easy. Almost there, buddy. Just a little further. We've got you. Easy now, easy, easy.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
All right, old girl, just a little higher. Careful now, farmer. All right, old girl, let's get you fixed up. It's just a little nail, we'll get it out. There, all done. Looking good as new. Great job, monkey. La 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 la. Like and subscribe.